Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another freight car here, and we're going to be building this Union Pacific covered hopper car. And this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build now. So we're going to start off with the coupler. So take out a dark oak stair and attach that up. Then a light gray concrete right here, 2 dark oak fence gates underneath it. Then on the next block down, we're going to do a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. In front of that, we'll do deep slate tile stairs, 3 wide, and an upside down back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Behind that, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we'll put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels. Then 2 nether brick fences in between it on each side. Then open a fence gate into this wheel and this wheel, and then into both of these wheels. Then put 4 light gray concrete across the middle here, and then we're going to do another 19 blocks of light gray concrete coming up the center. Once you have 19, on the next block down in front of this, do a set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then same as before, deep slate tile stairs, 3 wide, and an upside down back-to-back T-shape, and another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then same as before, put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels, 2 nether brick fences in the middle of each side. Then open a fence gate into this wheel, and this one, and 1 into each of these wheels. Then bring 5 more light gray concrete across here, and then turn around and put a dark oak stair right here for this coupler, and 2 dark oak fence gates underneath here. Then we're going to come underneath this center beam, and we need to leave 2 blocks of space after these fence gates. And on the 3rd block out under here, we'll put a single light gray concrete. So there's 2 blocks of space right there. We'll do the same thing on this other side. So leave 2 blocks of space, light gray concrete here. Make sure there's 2 blocks of space. Then we're going to put 1 more centered on the bottom middle between these 2 blocks. Then we're going to take andesite stairs upside down facing outward, and we're going to do 3 like this on each of these blocks. Then we'll come around, 2 upside down stairs going this way on all 3 of them. Then turn around on this side of them, and 2 going this way on all 3 of them. And finally an outward facing stair on the middle of each one here. Then we'll come above these, 3 light gray concrete here, here, and here. Do the same thing on this side, on all 3 of these. Then we'll take upside down andesite stairs again, 1 on each side like this, on all 3 of them. Then turn around on this end of them, and 2 upside down stairs on either side going this way on all 3 of them here. Just like that. Now we're going to come down here and crouch, and we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on each of these hoppers, and do the same thing at this end. Then we'll come to the other side, and same thing, wither skeleton skull on each of these hoppers, and at this end here. Then we're going to take out andesite slabs, come up here, 1 here, 1 here, same thing on this side, and then do the same process on both sides of this end. Then take blackstone brick stairs this time, and we're going to do upside down stairs, and we're going to put 2 upside down stairs here, 2 on this end, then we'll repeat it down here, 2 here, 2 here. Then we're going to go all the way across here with a full row of upside down andesite stairs. And bring it right down to the other end here. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. A full row of upside down andesite stairs coming all the way across this level on this side here. Then I actually miscalculated where the black should be here. So we're gonna have to change some of this. Put a black stone brick stair here and change this corner one to andesite. And do that on all 4 corners of the car here. Sorry about that. So repeat the process down here. Just like that. Now take out a birch fence, come under here, put 3 fences across here, 3 across this one, 3 across this one. Then we need to get a skeleton skull and crouch and put a skeleton skull on the side of all 3 of these rows of birch fence gates here. Just like that. Now come right here where these holes are, come 3 across with light gray concrete, and then we're going to come up each side like this with light gray concrete. Then when we get here, 1 in the middle here. Then we're going to take upside down andesite stairs across here, go 5 wide and wrap around the corner, come all the way up this side, then wrap around the corner all the way across this end, around the corner, and all the way across this side. Just like that. Then we'll go back to light gray concrete, 5 across right here, and come all the way down the side, and we're just going to frame this in. Come across here, all the way back up this side. Then we'll do another layer of light gray concrete all the way around this top outside edge again. Then we'll put 5 upside down andesite stairs here, turn around, and 5 facing this way up here on this end. Once that's done, we're going to go back to light gray concrete, 5 on top of these stairs, then come down the side with it, then come across these stairs, and all the way back up this side. Then we'll put 5 upside down andesite stairs across here again, and same thing at this end, 5 upside down stairs across here. Then we'll do a light gray concrete on each corner, and 5 across here so it sticks out past the stairs. And then come all the way up the side again till you're above the stair, and then 5 across here sticking out past the stair. And finally, all the way back up this side again. Then up here we'll do 3 light gray on this top middle, and we're going to bring that all the way across so the whole top's filled in 3 wide with light gray concrete here. Bring it right down to this other end. Then on this top outside edge, we'll do a full row of right side up, outward facing andesite stairs, down to the other end. And then we'll do the same thing on this side here. A full row of outward facing andesite stairs all the way across this top outside edge. Then we're going to take out andesite walls. We're going to put 4 coming up here, 4 coming up in the middle, 4 coming up on this side. And then we'll repeat it at the other end. So we'll do 4 coming up here, 4 in the middle, and 4 here. Now we're going to come down underneath here. And back here, put a dark oak trapdoor. And on top of it, we need 2 sideways grindstones for our brake reservoir. Then right here, we're going to do 2 birch fences and close a jungle trapdoor on it for the brake wheel. Then we'll take out birch fence gates. And we'll start right here and do a column of fence gates coming all the way up this side to the top right here. Do the same thing on this side, a full column of fence gates coming up. Then on the side here, we're going to do 4 right here and open the top 2. Same thing over here, 4 right here, open the top 2. Then we'll come down in here, put a fence gate on this left hand side. Then we're going to grab a chain. And we're going to put a chain here and a chain here. Then we'll come to this end. So right here, 4 birch fence gates, open the top 2. And same thing on this side, 4 of them, open the top 2. Then here, we'll start right here and do a full column coming up to the top. And a full column coming up to the top on this side. Then we'll put a chain here and a chain here. Then we'll put 2 light gray carpet on either side of these black stone stairs. Then 2 here on either side of that end. Then open a fence gate in the middle here, 2 polished blackstone buttons here. Same thing at this end, open a fence gate in the middle and 2 polished blackstone buttons on the right. Then we'll put an iron trapdoor over this middle fence gate. And then here, we'll come across and go across to the edge and do a full row of iron trapdoors down the edge. Then right here we'll come across and then all the way up this side. Then crouch, 1 right here. Then in the middle, skip a block forward and we're going to do 4 smooth stone slabs. Same thing at this end, skip 1 block, 4 slabs. Then skip a block and do 6 slabs, skip a block and do 6 slabs. Then take a skeleton skull and put 1 in between here, here, and here. And then another row of trapdoors and just fill all around these slabs all the way in with iron trapdoors down to the other end. And around this back. Now come on this left hand side of the car, knock out 3 and 2 up here and fill it with black concrete. Then up here we'll do 3 polished blackstone buttons right here, 2 underneath here. And then of course we have to repeat it at the other side. So come to this side on this end, knock out these 3, and then 2 above it and fill them with black concrete. Then 2 buttons here, 3 up here. Then move 2 blocks over from this, do 1 button. Over here, skip 2, do 1 button. Then above this central bay on bottom, we're going to put 3 buttons on this lowest level of light gray concrete right here. Do the same thing on this side, 3 buttons right here. Then we'll come down to this right hand corner. Right here, do an item frame and a button. And then of course we'll do the same thing on this side. Right here, do an item frame and a button. Now we're going to make some banners. So come into a loom with black banner and white dye. Put a border on it and a horizontal in the middle. Then a white banner and red dye, do these stripes and make the top half blue. This black and white one goes on this item frame. And then the other banner goes up in this corner right here. Repeat it on this side. So the black and white one on the item frame and the other one right here. Now come back into a loom with a light gray banner and black dye this time for some lettering. Vertical on the left and right. Upside down triangle on bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left, horizontal in the middle, horizontal on top, horizontal on bottom. New banner. We're going to do a vertical in the center here. Then we'll go to light gray dye and put a light gray horizontal on the middle. Then a light gray horizontal on top. New banner, black dye, vertical on the left. Then we'll take light gray dye and put a light gray border on all these banners. Then we're going to come place them, but we're going to need item frames here. So up here we're going to put 4 item frames, skip 1 and 2. And we'll use our banners to spell out we will. Then we're going to come underneath that and do a full row of item frames all the way across under it. Then we're going to put an E here, then an L here, the I here, and an E here. And we'll come back for the other letters after we do the other side. So come up here, we do 4 item frames, skip 1 and 2, and a full row across the bottom. Up here we'll put we and will, then an E here, L here, I here, and an E here. Then we can clear off these banners we've already used, and we'll make the rest of the letters. So come back into a loom with a light gray banner and black dye again. Make the bottom half black, vertical on the right. New banner. A diagonal, vertical on the left. New banner, vertical on the left, top half black, diagonal. Then put a light gray border around all 3 of these. And then we'll come on these item frames and fill in the rest of our word so that it spells out deliver. And then of course we have to do the same thing on the other side. So finish off this word so it spells out deliver. Just like that. Now take out oak signs. We're going to put 2 here. Come down to the other end and put 2 here. Then 1 right here above this bay. 1 right here above this bay. And on the center bay here we put 1 on each side like this. And then we repeat that on the other side. So 2 signs right here. 1 here. Come to this end. 2 signs right here. 1 here. Out of the center bay, 1 here and 1 here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Union Pacific covered hopper car. I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.